Hey guys, as promised, I'm doing oil today, futures. Um, Basically, it's actually a good example of trading. As you see, yesterday it touched the reversal. Uh, it didn't close about it, it just barely touched it. You can see here 78.59 and the reversal is at 78.60. So one tick it touched, and now it still didn't turn, but the momentum turned. So current price it's about 78.08. So, and today we have a turning point, a big turning point. So, and also it's the end of the week, so we have to check the week. On the weekly, we see there's a trend all the way to March 20. And also we have a big turning point here in March. So let's check the weekly. On the weekly level, as you see, it start turning down. So if today we take 75.10 out, which probably will do, then you can see the trend will go down all the way to 20 March. Well, maybe bounce a bit here and there, but that's what I'm seeing here. That's pretty much what we'll do. I'm curious what reversal stays. Monthly level, way oversold. So it's interesting to see. Let's see the so this week a direction change. See the difference? Like on the weekly it's overbought, but on the monthly it's oversold. So today we'll see if we take out 75.10. We're probably going all the way to 20 March on the downside. But then we bounce a lot. So stay tuned. Let me know which you wanna do next. I only have subscription for VIX, uranium, and crude oil. But if I get enough follows and get this going, then I'll buy the other one as well. Again, it's not financial advice. It's merely for education. You guys seek some financial advisor for trading. This you can lose a lot of money, especially when you're new at it. And trading this is not it's fun, but at the same time implies risk, a lot of risk, loss of capital. Cool, stay tuned.